Whoa! Oh, hello guys! It's time to take update right on your mobile phone, and we have latest tech news curated for you right on your mobile phone. We have latest tech news curated for you. Yes, guys, Apple BKC store is open. Now, Apple has opened a new store in New Delhi. Next update is regarding the AI revolution. Well, Bard is now live, but it is not live in India. Google Bard is the direct competitor of ChatGPT. AI revolution is going to change the world we see in a different domain. Through ChatGPT, you can actually chat, and people are hacking ChatGPT so that they could actually produce many materials words like how to create math and how to create methylene. After seeing a series Breaking Bad, you can see that breaking math creation of math is banned, and ChatGPT could answer that how the recipe of making math. So that's what AI revolution is all about. So Sundar Pichai has decided to stop the experimentation of this AI chatbot so that less input is given and it doesn't affect the society as a whole. AI will be more profound than even the light, even the evolution of fire, more profound than the discovery of fire. AI is going to be more profound than discovery of fire, discovery of water. Yes, guys, AI, artificial intelligence is going to replace the human intelligence. Today, manpower will not be in much more power than artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence will take the job of a coder. If you don't know coding, no problem. ChatGPT will solve the problem for you. AI, artificial intelligence will code. You just need to give an application to the robot, and he will produce the result to you. DeepMind is working on robots that have a cognitive abilities to actually learn football on their own. You just need to tell them that you need to score goal, and they will learn the whole football game on their own. This learning capability of a mind, restructuring different thoughts, the thoughts that appear in the mind, and this is what the profound of artificial intelligence is. AI is the next revolution. AI is the thing that will govern the next decade. This century will be driven by AI, artificial intelligence. Yes, guys, like, comment, subscribe to my channel for latest tech update and artificial intelligence interacting with the human philosophy of life. I will bring you artificial intelligence things that are going on that makes the human more profound thing. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel for latest tech update right on your mobile phone. Thank you.